Hi to all. PrizeRebel is a free, GPT, get paid to, rewards website, where members are rewarded for completing tasks and surveys. PrizeRebel is open to people around the world who are 18 years of age or older. With PrizeRebel, you can take surveys, fill out offers, complete tasks, collect daily points, collect monthly bonuses, participate in contests, watch videos and enjoy your rewards. When you become next level member, you can unlock more account benefits. When you reach the gold level or above, you will automatically receive rewards claim codes if they are in stock. PrizeRebel offers a rewards catalog with over 500 plus gift card options. You can request a reward with as little $5 worth of points in your account. I prefer PayPal reward, so I use it every time. Amazon UK offer even £2 rewards. This GPT website is on my first place because it offers many options for making money. They have the highest bonuses awarded at the end of each month. You can earn up to $150 per week. This website is for everyone. When I think about my beginning and registration on this website, I have to admit that on the first sight, I thought it was just another ordinary page for online surveys, and it is not worth the time. On the contrary, as time went on, I realized that PrizeRebel has been the pinnacle of everything, and there is no better alternative. They will appreciate you so much if you like to give your opinion. PrizeRebel appreciates your loyalty, and it is getting better and better every year. Customer service is always kind and ready to help. Don't forget to sign up. Have a nice day.